Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you dread ironing your clothes like I do, then you are going to love this steamer.
This garment steamer from Pionix is so awesome. I love that it is foldable, so it is super easy to take with you on the go, easily to pack. It comes with its great own little storage baggie, so you can bring everything with you. And I love being able to steam my clothes when I'm on vacation because I feel like it really keeps them looking and smelling fresh. And this thing has a super fast heat up time, 25 seconds to heat up with this 100 ml water tank. So you get 10 minutes of continuous steam. They also send you a wall holder for it. So I have mine hung up in my laundry room so I can take my clothes right out of the dryer, hang them up, and be able to steam them before I put them away. It is so great. It works on so many different materials. I've used it on linen, cotton, polyester. It has worked fantastic on all of my clothes and has steamed them perfectly. I love that the back here has this gasket so you aren't going to have any dripping or water spillage, and they provide you with a little cup that makes filling up the water tank super easy. I also really appreciate how long the cord is, which makes steaming things like curtains or shower curtains so easy. And I love that they also give you this velvet lint brush, which is just such a wonderful little touch they added.
So if you're ready to ditch that old ironing board and iron, then get this steamer. You are going to love it, and that is my point of view.